For those who are new to our channel, hi, I'm Marcus. Today I'm going to share with you the basis of price action. What is price action? Price action allows us to quickly interpret whether the market is moving up or moving down. How do we do this? Let me just show you. Okay, for market to be moving up, it has to start from a support somewhere. This cluster of two red bars here, this is the lowest point. Okay, this is a point where people start to buy in, okay, generate buying interest. So when people start buying in, you will see that market starts to go up. Okay, at a certain point in time, people will take profit. And when they take profit, they will start to sell at this point in time. Because they bought here, they will start selling here and push the market to go down into what we call a price retracement. Okay. As long as it forms a support, which is higher than the previous support here, if the market sentiment is still bullish, market will turn up, give me the blue bars here, to give me what we call an up oscillation. This is a cue for us that the market is still going up, and this is the time where we start to look for opportunities to take a long trade. Okay. Now, what if market is going to come down the other way around? All right. When market is coming down, it has to start from the top somewhere. This is what we call a resistance. This is when people start to sell. When they sell, they push the market to come down. Okay. At a certain point in time, once again, people decide to take profit. They will start to buy back here because they sold here. And they push the market to go into what we call a retracement. Now, as long as the resistance here is lower than the previous resistance level, if the market sentiment is still bearish, okay, it will start to turn down and give us a down oscillation, DO for short. So this is a time when we start looking for opportunities to look for a short trade to take. Now, let me show it to you on a chart itself. All right. Okay. If you look at this chart here, market has started to go up, but we can't confirm here. It has broken the previous resistance point here at this level. This is a retracement. Okay, when the blue bar here appear, okay, let me just show it to you. When the blue bar here appear, you're going to compare this support to this support. It is sloping upwards. That means this support is higher than this support. Okay, on the blue bar here, this is what we call an up oscillation, allowing us to take a long trade if all the parameters are present. For market to keep going up, it has to keep forming higher support, higher resistance. If you look at these 2 points, this is higher than this resistance. Okay, this support is also higher than the support. The support is higher than the support. Higher resistance, higher support, higher resistance, higher support. Okay. Now, if you think in terms of a ladder, right, each step is higher than the previous one. So this is when there's a bullish market where it allows us opportunities to take long trades. Now, what if market is coming down? Let me just quickly show you next example where market is trending downwards. Okay, over here, same thing. It started off as a resistance point here. Market has come down, broken the previous support. Okay, this is a retracement. It has formed a resistance which is lower than the previous resistance level. And if market is, the sentiment is bearish at this point in time, when you compare these two resistance, over here on the red bar, this is what we call a down oscillation. And this is where, if the parameters are present, we will take a short trade here and take our profits accordingly. Now, for market to keep coming down, once again, you've got to have lower resistance compared to the previous, lower supports. Okay, lower resistance, lower supports. Okay. So as long as it keeps forming lower resistance, lower support, there are opportunities for you to take short trades along the way. Okay, I hope that this has been beneficial to you. Thank you for watching our video. Let us know what other topics you would like to view. Okay, and we'll try our best to accommodate. Okay, subscribe to more upcoming videos. Okay, by clicking on the subscribe button below, and remember to click on the notification bell as well. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.